crafty friends. I am Katia with Lunar Sun Creations and welcome to my channel. I have so many exciting things to tell you today. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. First is that I'm having a Black Friday sale, which is something I have never done in my Etsy shop before. I don't know why. I've had the Etsy shop for years. I've never done a Black Friday sale. So I am going to do the whole Black Friday week. So starting tomorrow morning, Friday the 26th, all the way to December 1st, everything in my shop will be 30% off. So this is really big for me. I've never done this before. So I really hope that you will go and check that out. Take advantage of all of those sales and all those savings. Secondly, I have a brand new paper collection that I want to share with you, a vintage Christmas paper collection, and it will be in my Etsy shop and part of that 30% off sale. So that's super exciting. I'm going to have a project using it in a couple days. I'm going to show you the paper collection in just a minute. But first, I also want to let you know that I'm a little bit late, but it is time for a giveaway. So because BC right now, I'm not sure if anything would actually get through to you in the mail because of all the flooding and horrible stuff that's going on right now. So I decided to do a digital giveaway instead. So wow, I had a hard time putting 3 fingers up. Try this head. Three. Why is this hard? Three. Let's do 3 that way. 3. 3 people are going to win their choice of one of my digital paper collections. So you can choose between either one of the Christmas, the Vintage Christmas or the Merry and Bright, or you could choose one of the past ones, the Flowers and Feathers or the Mystical Twilight collection. Or if you'd prefer, you could do one of my like photography collections. I have the winter collection, and then I've also got the Paradise collection. So many options. So 3 separate people will all win one of those, and you can message me and choose which one you would like. The draw for that will be on November 30th, which is a Tuesday. So I'll choose 3 winners at random. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, and I love you all. Thank you for your support, and please hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up if you like the video, and the bell notification would be a great button to hit too. They're all really good buttons. Just push them all. I'm gonna stop being dorky and I'm gonna show you the paper collection. Okay folks, so here is the paper collection. So start off with some kind of like sage kind of color, and there's quite a few different patterns in the background. There's a lot of layers, almost like very distressed and kind of grunge almost, like to make it like vintagey. Some macrame little bits up there, and then the whole border is has like a shadow effect to it. They're all one-sided. They're 8.5 by 11. There's 34 different papers. So each color has kind of like a scene, almost a pattern. And then each one has a solid color as well, but the solid color still has quite a bit of, you know, background stuff going on. There's quite a few layers of extra things, so it's not just a plain color. Okay, and this one's got a lot of layers, really, really grungy and distressed. I really love the way this looks. Okay, and this one's got a bunch of like watercolor splotches on it. I love that. And then some faint repeating pattern. Okay, so that's all the like light kind of sage green. And then we go into a deeper green. very like woodsy and forest kind of feeling. A lot of text in behind there. Some pine cone repeating pattern. Very grungy edges on this one. And then this one kind of has like almost like border strips along it, and then some like very almost like floral pattern in the background of the green. Okay, and then this is the solid green color with some like, you have to kind of see it in person once you print it out, because it's not picking up, oh, there's so many cool layers on even just the plain colored ones. Okay, now we get into some like beige tan kind of colors, more neutral. So you can print these out at home, or you could put them on a USB and bring them to a printer, or just send them to a printer to print out. And then I love this repeating pattern. There's actually some lines from where I repeated it, but I actually kind of like that. I think it adds to the whole thing. They're super, super faint, but I really quite like this pattern. And then here's the kind of beige tan color, just plain. And then we go into some like kind of dusty roses. I wanted there to be a little bit of like warmth, you know? So got some dusty rose patterns, but still very grungy. I don't know if it's catching all that like detail there. Big, bold rose and cotton pattern. And then the solid for that. And then some really, really kind of almost like rusty reds, like a really muted red. And some more macrame. I love the macrame. Okay, and then the solid one for the red. It's kind of got like a plaster texture and some writing and stuff, some script. And then some deep browns. So this is the repeating pattern for the brown one. Actually, I have a couple repeating patterns for the brown. There's that one, and then there's this one. Love them both. And then some pine cones. There's just so much detail to these. And then this is kind of like a living room scene. And then I did a few pages that are kind of like, I was thinking for junk journals. So they're kind of, you know, they've got the center bit where you can fold these in half and use them as part of a junk journal. So I wanted the collection to be quite versatile. So you can fold these all in half and maybe back them on tea-stained paper or something like that. Or you could print them back to back. But I wanted there to be, there's really faint lines in this one kind of from the script. So I wanted there to be some variety in what you could use this collection for. Okay, and then I've also done some cut aparts, or you could use these in cards. These are actually sized perfectly for a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. So you could use them, you know, just as is, or, you know, add a little bit more to them, but they do work perfectly on a card, or you could just put them in pockets of a mini album. And then I did one cut apart that was a little bit bigger. This is a 6x6. And then some like things that you can fussy cut and a couple border strips. And then these two are 4x4 and then another couple that are perfect for on cards. And then just a few little bits that you can cut out, maybe use as swing tabs or something like that. All right, so yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. It took me longer than I thought, as things always do, but I absolutely love it. So yeah, so we've got our paper collection and we've got our giveaway. So you can, 3 people will be chosen and you can choose this or any of my other digital paper collections. And then we've also got the excitement of the Black Friday sale. So everything in my shop, 30% off for 5 days. So get in there and check it out. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching and I will see you again very, very soon. Love you all. Bye.